Wow, that sounds pretty bad.
Yeah.
I got so many stories that have never been told. Parts of me that have never been sold. No matter what you think, who you're talking to, you know life can be so stark. Every day I do what I'm supposed to do. I got a golden child who looks like you. And every night I creep upstairs to hide in the dark. But it's cool, baby. Why do I feel so weird? It's cool, baby. Why do I feel it? I feel so weird. Once you were the lonely fool on the hill. Once I was happy with $100 bill. Once I thought you owned the block. Now you charge me every time I walk. So it's come to this, I expected no less. Face the music, at least I know how to dress. I look for you, where do you be? Rooting for the other team. It's cool, baby. Why do I feel so weird? It's cool, baby. Why do I feel it? I feel so weird.
What's up with your sister?
Oh my god, something is wrong with Karen.
Let's stay calm.
They told me about you at headquarters. You're all spies trying to kidnap me. Oh my god, something is wrong with Karen. My mom will kill me if something happens to her. What's up, guys? Hey, it's cool. Where have you guys been all this time?
I guess my cough syrup days are over.
Yeah, me too. I've heard about this stuff called marijuana. My cousin in San Francisco says gets you really high.
I've heard of it too, but it's not legal.
I'll take my chances. No way I want to go through an afternoon like this, ever.
Yeah, me neither. I hope I never get a cough and have to use that stuff again.
Well, there's always cough drops.
Yeah, those will get you really high.